way we came in.
Oh,
Goodness.
well, what? Don't know where that one went.
I think that's an LTD.
Back here, there's nothing because like.
I bet that used to be a row right there.
It was. See.
Looks like it got a little growed up.
Because the sun is hitting the beating down right here. See where the sun's not hitting it, it's like west. Why are all the license plates like red?
I don't know. I don't see any. I hadn't noticed.
You know, all the license plates text are in red.
You can go down this row.
Which one? This one? Okay, sure.
I think we've made it to the edge of the property.
Don't know how. There's always seems one grandma.
I know there's more than that here.
Unless they drug them out.
Yeah, I doubt it. Yeah, they crushed them, melted them down, turned them into spoons and Kias.
Yeah, we've already been down this road.
Yeah, that's right. Let's
Wait,
hang her.
that
Let's
way.
go this way.
Bel Air, old one. Right? Looks like.
I don't believe so, man. I think this is a Ford.
Okay. Didn't Ford make Plymouth?
No.
Oh. I guess that hood went like, wow. I bet the guy was probably working on some of these. I don't know how they took the parts off of these, make them look like that. Like, what the heck? Did a tree do that to it?
No, it got in a wreck, and the tree grew. This is where they parked it, and the tree grew there.
So this thing was in a wreck, and then they parked it right here?
Yeah, most likely.
Unless if someone came over here and beat the crap out of it. Look at me, no, all the green ones!
I was pretty sure they were back in that section we just left.
Look at that. Huh? Leave it. I have to get a haircut today. Sides. This had to be a field at one point.
Probably was.
We already know
The
that
trees aren't, for the most part, aren't that big.
We already know the guy that owned these was really old, and you know, if he could find one of those like that. This car is from the Cars movie. It's literally the same type, same colors in the winter at one point. See the one where
Yeah, it's Flo.
Yeah, he went in different colors a lot. Like a car painter or something? I don't know.
It was like a 59 Impala, something like
That's
that.
what is. But I don't see how you get to it. Look. We're in a cul-de-sac.
Oh, hell. Well, we can walk through here. It looks like there's a trail. I hadn't been over here.
I just want to go around and then end up back up around. Oh, we found another bus. I don't like going through here, but
We'll go through here.
is there going to be a snake?
Doesn't matter if there is.
No. No. This was a creek.
Yeah, right here's a pond. You can go through
I
here.
want to see the school bus.
All right, let's go check it out.
Remember the school bus? Wait, It goes over there.
Yep. It's the other
I want to
side.
get in there.
You can't.
You're allowed?
I don't think we're allowed to get in there.
I think we're allowed to get in campers.
You probably don't want to walk in there.
All through?
Yeah.
This used to be like a campground right here.
Probably not. Someone probably lived here.
Yeah.
You can go boondocking.
I wish we could ride bikes around in here. Don't you?
Oh, Thunderbird. Dodge DeSoto.
I think we've already been right here. I feel like we're lost, kind of.
No, we're not lost. They're just moseying around, seeing what's... We've been on that other side. We hadn't been on this side. There's that javelin over here.
Oh. Yeah. I think the tornado did that.
No.
Just me, or do you smell cucumbers?
Nope, sure don't. That's just you.
We just went in a loop.
Big loop. Alright.
We went that way, went around, came back. We went this way, Harold. We came that way. So
Yeah, we've already been here.
I think we go straight that way because we haven't been.
We came from that direction this way already.
No, we went that way and then we went here, went around, or no, we came here, went there, and then.
We've already been up this way
So we
too.
have not been straight that way. But there's you know where we just came from, that circle?
Mm-hmm.
There's a place where that car was that I was talking about from the Cars movie. I want to go there. And that's how you get there.
Now we can walk up and around. I'll follow you.
Well, nope. I guess that way, but okay. We're going to go this way since we've already walked. So is this a convertible?
Yep. If it wasn't, it is now. Yeah, you can see the hooks on it.
Yeah. Where are you going?
Let's go this way and come up and around.
No, this is the way to go.
Okay,
We came
whatever.
down this here.
Okay, I just don't want you to miss it out because I think there's probably some gremlins over here on this road because we hadn't been on it.
Okay, then we'll go down this one and go up there. That's a javelin.
Yep.
This truck is over 100 years old, I bet. Has to.
It's probably getting real close to it. I wouldn't say 100 yet. Yeah.
Wait, I was wondering if there's more javelin.
I'll be dang.
You've never been this far.
Probably not.
This one's like.
That's a 72. You're right. Good job.
That's a cabin.
Sort of.
Kind of.
A little dark.
Which way we go?
Whichever way you want to go is the way we're going.
We'll have to come back and go that way after.
Yeah.
There's a trail right here. But...
Yeah, I'm gonna sleep good tonight.
What do you mean?
All this walking.
Oh yeah. We're to end up on the other side of that pond, probably.
That's where it looks like we're headed. Drop my flashlight.
Found an old boat.
There's a lot of those in here. No.
Oh, there's another.
That looks a little bit big for that pond.
That boat?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is newer. This is what yours looked like, your truck.
Oh yeah. Yeah, well it can't be too old. It's got a McCain Palin or whatever campaign sticker on it.
It is, boss.
This is the other side. You want to start down this road?
Hey, that's the train.
Yeah, fire chicken. Grand Prix.
This is old.
Yeah. They're starting their side-by-side collection.
Probably. What even is that type? I don't understand.
It's junk. Perfect.
So,
Corvair.
motors in the back. Oh,
Yep, air cooled.
another one.
Unsafe at the speed. Not really, but yeah.
That was one that probably. This looks like it was a Javelin.
No, it wasn't.
The front end looks like it was.
Yeah, that's a Camaro.
Ah.
It is a 69 model Camaro.
You know the police car from Cars movie? You know that?
Yeah. There he is.
Find a Bel Air. No one.
This one here.
No. No.
Well, you found one here, 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 here.
There, probably. We're probably way far away from Gremlin now.
Yeah. I'd say it was that trail that we went, that we chose not to go on just a minute ago. There's probably some down that way.
That's fine. It doesn't hold up. I want to figure out how you get to that boat down there.
We're not going to that boat. Alright. There's people.
More people.
Yeah,
Turn back around.